Hello students, welcome in chapter 7 integration. Students, today I continue our 7th chapter in the new method in the formula list. Yes, after ending by parts, LIAT ending, we going to today now new topic. It is a very easy formula. There are 3 formulas, students. Integrate under root x square plus a square dx. Second, integrate under root a square minus x square dx. And third, integrate on the x square. Here I write down our x square minus a square, students. And last I write down, because these are the same, that's why I write. Here between plus and between minus, first variable, your formula x by 2 in under root plus a square by 2 log in the modulus x plus under root. This is the formula for first level under root x square plus a square. This same but between minus. So x by 2 root x square minus a square, this change minus a square by 2 log, here same going, students, plus same. And last, this one, constant variable minus, then you going to sine inverse, it is x by 2 under root plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by plus c. Yes, students, today I explain these 3 formula related our further numericals, and it is the very most IMP topic in board level also. So I start my example, continue in your textbook example, students. Yes, 23, integration of x square plus 2x plus 5, as well as you know any quadratic x square, if your coefficient positive, then I define what? Last term, which is empty square, 4 into first term, they get 1. So I just write down in place of last term 1, but I want 5, so it is extra 4. And these 3 are, students, perfect square trinomial. So my value x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square dx. Now look at that, students, which formula you applicable? Yes, variable square plus constant square. And here I apply the rule for this x by 2 under root plus a square by 2 log x plus under root plus c. Totally write down in the empty bracket. Look at that. Now what is your x here? In this sum here x is x, but my x value x plus 1. And here same write down. A I have 2 and x again x plus 1, and in the root. Now finally this solutions, actually it is coming to question again. So my data is over here and solution done, x square plus 2x plus 5 and plus here 2 log of modulus, that will be also same, x square plus 2x plus 5 and plus c. Students, happily this example 23 done. Now example 24, integration, same level going. Yes, question is under root 3 minus 2x minus x square dx. Students, it is quadratic, but x square coefficient negative. So I go to first term. Yes. So at the first term wise, middle term square 4 into last term. So 4x square by minus 4x square, it is minus 1. And this minus 1, students, I rearrange in the place of first term. Yes, my first term is actually is minus 1. So here plus 1 and that minus 1 take out. This 3 perfect square and this 2 also. So it get 4 x square plus 2x plus 1, and that also perfect square trinomial, students. So my data is here 2 square and x plus 1 whole square. Whenever you define first term, must be your formula operate to third, sine inverse related. Constant minus variable, constant minus variable. So my formula is applicable, very simple. X by 2 under root plus a square by 2 sine inverse and plus c. Exactly formula related you write down in the empty bracket and putting the value. What is your x? X plus 1. And here, students, 2 square minus x plus 1 square. A I have 2 and that will be x plus 1 by 2. So my answer is finished. X plus 1 by 2 under root. This no more calculate because it is coming to initial question. 3 minus 2x minus x square, and here 2 sine inverse x plus 1 by 2 plus c. And here, students, this question example 23-24 happily done. Now I continue our exercise. Yes, as well as same as I going to our exercise, students, 7.7. So one by one going, but property is only this 3 numericals, 3 formula right we going. 7.7. First one, integrate 4 minus x square dx. Same method, constant minus variable, students. Here also you have to showing 2 square x square. Yes, property number 3rd apply. Constant square minus variable square, x by 2 under root a square by 2 sine inverse plus c. What is here? 2 square minus x square. A is 2 and that is x by 2. So my answer is x by 2 root 4 minus x square. Here, students, 2 sine inverse x by 2 plus c. And that's easily and happily, students, first sum done. Continue second. Under root 1 minus 4x square dx. That also same concept, students. I just showing 1 square, here 2 square. Check x coefficients. Yes, 2. So you first write down your coefficients. Now property, constant square minus variable. So x by 2 under root plus a square by 2 sine inverse and plus c as it is. What is your x? 2x. Under root 1 square minus 4x square. A is 1. And same as here, write down 2x by 1. So I write my final answer, x by 2 root 1 minus 4x square. This half and this half, 1/4 sine inverse 2x. And these also, students, very happily done. Continue going ahead slowly. Question number third one. In the same way, quadratic equations. X square plus 4x plus 6. Look at that, students. X square is a coefficient positive. So last term, my last term value, midterm square 4 into x square. So 16x square by 4x square. It is only 4. So my data is clearly x square 4x plus 4. I just write down plus 2. This is a perfect square and that make a perfect square trinomial. So it is very easy. X plus 2 whole square and here root 2 square. Students, formula look again. Variable square plus constant square. Means today we written three formula. This first one, variable x by 2 under root plus a square by 2. Yes, log of with the x plus under root. Yes, students, again repeat, variable square plus constant square. If you apply constant minus variable, then the sign inverse, third property, but it is a first property. A is your x plus 2 and here write down x plus 2 whole square plus 2. A is root 2, same x plus 2 and here write down x plus 2 whole square plus root 2 square. Now final rearrange one of the answer. This actually coming from question, so only question write. X square plus 4x plus 6. Now root 2 square, how much? 2. By 2 it is 1 and log of a x plus 2 same and it is your x square plus 4x plus 6 is same, and that's your final answer for question number 3, students. Now going question 4th. So in the 4th one, integration of x square plus 4x plus 1. That also same concept, going to what? Yes, last term, because x square coefficient positive. So what's your last term? Midterm square 4 into first term 16x square by 4x square. Yes, same as to third one. So I just mentioned my last term is a plus 4. Can I write minus 3? 4 minus 3. Balancing I want to 1. This perfect square trinomial and it is perfect square I making. So x plus 2 the whole square. Here root 3 square. Now variable square minus constant square. Second number formula, x by 2 root minus a square by 2 log x plus under root plus c. Always students try to by heart the formula in this way, in the empty bracket. Very easily and simple way you just remember this formula. Now putting your x, what is your x? This is your a. So I apply that my x value, x plus 2 in the root, quotient right again, nothing think about that, directly value, a is root 3, here also quotient again right. Actually write down this one, but I show x square plus 4x plus 1. And now last answer is done that here 3 by 2 log with under root plus c, and easily done. Now moving ahead, Next, question number 5. Continue. Integration of under root of 1 minus 4x minus x square. Students, here also just think about x square coefficients. I just rechecked my question. 1 minus 4x minus x square. Okay, x square coefficient negative, so I go to last term, mid term square, 4 into last term, so 16x square by minus 4x square, it is minus 4, and my value here added plus 4 minus 4, and this 3 is a perfect square trinomial and that is different. So exactly you getting answer 5, x square plus 4x plus 4. So perfect square trinomial ready. It is root 5 square, students, and here x plus 2 square. Now constant square minus variable square, so you have to sin inverse x by 2 root a square by 2 sin inverse plus c. Very simple. And what is your x? In this root, this write down, either this, either this, either this. Best way, direct write. I have root 5 and here x plus 2 by root 5. Now students, after ending, I just rearrange my data. X plus 2 by 2, 1 minus 4x minus x square, 5 by 2 because square, and sin inverse x plus 2 by root 5. And students, here my fifth question is simple way, easily done here. Now students, after going fifth one, I ahead, now sixth one. Same way running. Quadratic given, sixth one, x square plus 4x minus 5. Students, here also check x square coefficient positive. So I find out my last term, mid term square, 4 into first term. Yes, it is only 4. So exactly you can arrange x square plus 4x plus 4, and here write down minus 4. Rebalancing, these are perfect square. So my data x plus 2 square is 9. So can we write 3 square? Yes. Now variable square minus constant square. Second number formula, x by 2 under root minus a square by 2 log of x plus under root. Necessary here are plus in both formula, plus or minus. This only change depend on this minus. And now what is your x? X plus 2 root, this write down. Either you question write fully. I have 3, same as x plus 2. And here again this write down, but I write this question, x square plus 4x minus 5. Finally done. X plus 2 by 2. Only I just made this answer 9 by 2, this one. And other same copy in the base here, x square plus 4x minus 5. Students, this is a very easy numerical for 2 marks. Next, continue. Ahead we going to 7th. Question number 7. Integration of 1 3x minus x square. So same apply. X square coefficient negative, so I write down in the way of first term. So it is here first term, mid term square, 4 into last term, so 9x square by minus 4x square minus 9 by 4. So my data is plus 9 by 4, write down, minus 9 by 4 for balancing perfect square trinomial. This and this two are joining. So my value 9 and 4 13 by 4, and it is a perfect square. X square minus 3x plus 9 by 4. Now rearrange. So it is a perfect square for root 13 by 2 the square, and here x minus 3 by 2 the square. Now students, wait, constant square minus variable square, yes, sine inverse. So you have to know x by 2 under root plus a square by 2 into sine inverse plus c, and attach the full value. What is the x? Yes, you have to x. Here write down full question. It means you write down question 1 plus 3x minus x square. Here write same as your constant root 13 by 2, and that continue x minus 3 by 2 by root 13 by 2. It means sine inverse x by a. Now final done. 2x minus 3 by 4, sorry, by mistakes, 2x minus 3 by 4, and the same 1 3x x square plus here 13 by 2 square 4, 4 2s are 8 students, and other I write down sine inverse 2x minus 3 by root 13 only, because 2 and 2 permanently cancel with the LCM plus c, and here 7th sum students done. Continue going. Now 8th one. Yes, 8 also same property. Integration of x square plus 3x. Yes, here first term given, mid term given, but last term not given. So I decided my last term. So students, last term formula, you know that middle term square 3x square by 4 into first term, it is 9 by 4. So I just show out that last term 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4. This 3 is a perfect square, and that also perfect square. So I just showing that 3 by 2 square, and here also. Now wait and think about that. What is the formula? Yes, students, my formula is a variable square, constant square. So x by 2 root minus a square by 2 log x plus root. Yes, here empty bracket wise I showing that, students, very easily and quickly understanding. Your x plus 3 by 2 root, you write down fully question x square plus 3x. Now what is your a? 3 by 2. Again show x plus 3 by 2, and that one root, it means this one, it means this one, it means question x square plus 3x. So finally you can done 2x plus 3, 2 2s are 4, and root same x square plus 3x. Continue here students. 9, 4 2s are 8, and that also done 2x plus 3 by 2. Either LCM take, either not take, don't worry. And that is plus x square plus 3x plus c. So happily and easily 8th one is also, students, done here. Now I go to 9th. In this 9, under root of, it is also quadratic, one kind of, x square by 9 dx. So I just rearrange in the way of LCM taking 9 plus x square by 9. So can I write 1 by 3 outside? Yes, 9 square root. And here I write x square plus 9 means 3 square. And whole formula we can know, yes, constant square plus variable. First one, x by 2 root plus a square by 2 log and x plus under root plus c. This way I easily write down. And here root x square plus 9. Here a 3, again x square plus 9. So finally your destination over x by 6, these are multiplied. That also, students, 3 and 1 3 cancel. Only you have to 3 by 2. Log base e, x plus under root, x square plus 9 and the plus c. And here happily, easily our 9 also done. Now next, students, question 10. Yes, question 10 and 11, students, to little MCQ coming. Question number 10. It is under root x square plus 1 dx. So here you operate your first property. Yes, x square plus 1 square. It is get x by 2 under root plus a square by 2 log x plus under root. Only we operate in empty bracket formula, and here x square plus 1 square 1, x square plus 1 square, and over that. Now question number 11. Integration of x square minus 8x plus 7 dx. Yes, that also covered too by last term rule. Students, my last term here, empty square means minus 8x square, 4 into first term, and it is a 64x square by 4x square, cutting 16 fours are. So my integration is done very easily, x square minus 8x plus 16, but I want to plus 7 minus 9. Check, 16 minus 9, how much? 7. This perfect square, and that also perfect square. So my data is ready. X minus 4 whole square, 3 square. Now students, think about two variable square minus constant square means second number formula. Yes. So my formula is x by 2 root minus a square by 2 log x plus under root plus c. And value is there. Here x minus 4. In under root quotient write completely. A3. Here x minus 4. And that again quotient write x square minus 8x plus 7. Now finally you can arrange here 9 by 2, and my data is done. Under root x square minus 8x plus 7. And here students, just 9 by 2 I write down log e plus under root plus c, and that's the final answer to your question number here 11. Now students, next question is 12, 13 and 14, which is very biggest question, and one lightly topic is changed here. So I start the topic related new question number 12. Yes, already this topic you know by the MN method, but here lightly change in this part. So question number 12, tick mark, very most in IMP list. Integration x under root x plus x square dx. If you students this x not given, you operate by this method, by last term and first term. But now here x is disturbing, so I take out our MN method. Yes students, MN method wise I start. So suppose x is equal to m ddx plus n, decide derivative and MN calculate. So x here 1 x square 2x plus n. So students, m plus 2mx plus n, here x and here x, take out common. So coefficients 1, here 2m. Other here coefficient is nothing given, so 0. But that side m plus n. M become minus half, sorry, plus half, 1 by 2. And here students n minus m minus half. It means your question is radix half ddx of x plus x square and n is minus half. This value, actually I just decided this x plus, and now I start my exact numerical 1 by 1 in the solution wise. So our integration with the x into x plus x square dx, this x students I know what that, half ddx of x plus x square, n is a minus half, and these are same. Students, you just multiply that in both way 1 by 1. So you just first multiply, then half x plus x square with the half power 80 and ddx of this as it is dx minus half under root x plus x square dx. One more time repeat. This multiply here, but power 80 half I written. Now students, here I derive one of the property, integration f raised to nx f dash x dx, function with the derivative with the n power. My answer is f raised to n plus 1x by n plus 1. I explain you how this written. Don't worry students. So here look that, suppose this property I derive here, f of x is equal to t f dash x dx dt. So your integration f raised to nx f dash x dx is what? T raised to n dt. And t raised to n I know that. What? T raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. It means f raised to n plus 1x by n plus 1 plus c. This one. Operate that. And here as well as last term x square plus x given here students, you just decided your last term property. Midterm square 4 into first term, it is how much? 1 by 4. So my answer is here half n plus 1 by n plus 1, and here I write down last term my exact value 1/4 plus 1/4 minus plus C1, and this make us students perfect square. So half x square plus x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, and here students half with the perfect square trinomial x plus half square, and 1/4 means 1/2 square plus C1. And this answer today I written 3 different formula related. I show my last answer now here. So final answer integration I, this I follow. Students, here 2 cancel, only I get here value 1/3. There is x square plus x raised to 3 by 2 and minus half. Now I operate this variable square minus constant square, x by 2 root minus a square by 2 log x plus root. Yes, in previous formula already I written that variable square minus constant square. What is your variable? X plus half. In root quotient write direct x square plus x. What is your a? Half. And here students half write down, and a again x plus half. Now final destinations over that 1 by 3 raised to 3 by 2. Here 2x plus 1 by 2 to the 4 to the 8 under root x square plus x. Now minus and minus plus, because this property is a minus, huh? Yes. Now here 4 to the 8 to the 16 log x plus half with the under root plus c, and that you getting final answer for this question, students, easily and happily. This also our done, students. Now students, after ending next question number 13. Integration of x plus 1 with 2x square plus 3 dx. I hope you again understanding the same rule, MN rule. Assume x plus 1 is equal to this term related m d dx of plus n, and decide, students, very easily your mn value by the derivative. So x plus 1, it is 4x plus 0. So your x plus 1 4mx plus n. Now here, students, you can compare the like terms. So what's your comparison? 1 is equal to 4m and n is equal to 1. So what the m? 1 by 4. And this both value attach successfully in place of x plus 1. Students, here m is 1 by 4 d dx of 2x square plus 3 and n is a 1, and that should be, I operate in place of m and n and start the, students, our solution in the integrations. So our question is there. Now question is running, students. Actually define m and after you can start easily our solutions. So integration of x plus 1 with under root 2x square plus 3 dx. This value I known. Check. 1 by 4 d dx 2x square plus 3 plus 1, and that is same. Check here, this multiplication, that multiplication, 1 by 1. So my integration is 1/4. Here 2x square plus 3 raised to half, and that should be d dx of 2x square plus 3 dx. This as it is. This multiply by that. And another students here 1 2x square plus 3 dx. Now function powerity n with the derivative n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here 1 by 4. You can show half plus 1, half plus 1. And here students, you can try to property root 2x square and root 3x square. But disregarding, write down the formula necessary in exam also. Function the n power with derivative, function raised to n plus 1 below n plus 1 must be. Always you write this property. Now here students plus c1. So 1 by 4, it is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. And here going to coefficients of x. What is coefficient of x? Root 3. So 1 by root 3, root 2. And property apply to first rule, x by 2 root plus a square by 2 log x plus under root c1 plus c2. And here ending our sum in the root 2x is a. Here total square taking, it means this taking 2x square plus 3. A become root 3. And here again a is x is root 2x. And here students 2x square plus 3. Very big numericals. Answers here ready for 2 2s are. So 1 by 6, 2x square plus 3 raised to 3 by 2. And that you multiply root 2 inside, root 2 cancel. It is x by 2 under root 2x square plus 3. Continue. Here root 3 square 3 by 2 root 2. And another are same, root 2x plus 2x square plus 3 plus 3. Finally students, this numerical done. But if you operate here conjugate, root 2 extra multiply and root 2 divided, root 2 and root 2. So 3 root 2 by 4 it is. Either multiply or not necessary, but in your textbook answer given 3 root 2 by 4. Yes, that also true. 2 and root 2 is 2. And that you students here easily. Our question number 13 is also done. Now I going to 14th. Yes, 14 also very most IMP. Numerical in this pattern. Now next to 14 I have question is there. Integrate x plus 3 minus 4x minus x square dx. Students, first of all you derive by mn rule. So assume x plus 3 is m d dx plus n and decided mn value. So x plus 3 students, here 0 minus 4, here 0 minus 4 and x square derivative minus 2x. So x plus 3 minus 4m minus 2mx plus n. Look at that. Here x students, you just make the compare and coefficients derived by 1 minus 2m and 3 is equal to minus 4m plus n. So what you get m? Yes, it is a minus half m become. And also here m is a minus half. So 3 here 2 n equal to 1. This cancel 2 to the minus minus plus. It means x plus 3 is students minus half d dx of 3 minus 4x minus x square plus n is 1. This full data. Now you start in the legal solution wise our answer forming. So I just create my solutions very easily. But main point is that students mn defined. So integration start I x plus 3 into 3 minus 4x minus x squared d. This value I know exactly. Yes, minus half d dx of and n become 1 and into that same. Now check, these are multiplying, this here multiplying, and you can get two different values one by one, students. So first data is achievement minus half integration of 3 minus 4x minus x square raised to half with the d dx same as, and other same as plus 1 3 minus 4x minus x square. Now students, here integration coming, function power et n with derivative. So your answer is n plus 1 by n plus 1. And here students, you can take your first term mt square 4 into last term. It is minus 4 because 16x square by 4 minus 4 coming, and these are property, and this property also you can write down by this utilizations. Function the n f dash x, it is n plus 1x by n plus 1 plus c. So here students, I going ahead to minus 4 first term, so plus 4 minus 4 plus 7. So finally you did here 3 minus 4x minus x square. Now students, continue. Here power d half plus 1 by half plus 1, it is getting actually 3 by 2, and that also getting students 3 by 2. Here these are perfect square trinomial, so you can cover in the perfect square trinomial, students. So it is 7, I write down root 7, and that is the minus common, x square plus 4x plus 4. So you 2 to cancel. Your answer is minus 1, 3 minus 4x minus x square raised to 3 by 2 by 3. And here actually it is a property for root 7 square, because already I defined by that is first term, and here students x minus 2 the whole square, and it is known you constant square minus variable square, what? It is sine inverse. So my answer is minus 1 by raised to 3 by 2 upon 3, and here students x by 2 under root plus a square by 2 sine inverse c1 plus c2. And what is your under root? This concept apply. It is this, it means quotient 3 minus 4x minus x square. A I here root 7, and again here x minus 2 by root 7. So here students, finally it done. Here write down my final answer in this way of totally minus 1 by 3 raised to 3 by 2. The same is, don't worry, I just only repeat my steps. And here write down what? It is 7 by 2. And sine inverse x minus 2 by root 7 plus c. And here students, our this question is also 14th one. Easily done, students. Students, by mistakes here I written x plus 4 whole square, it is x plus 2. So here students, your x plus 2 functions, and that also x plus 2. So your final answer is x plus 2, that is x plus 2. By mistake students, just you make the correction. It is x square plus 4x plus 4 is a perfect square of x plus 2. Now here's this 14 questions is happily for 4 marks students done. And this topic related our under root x square plus a square, under root a square minus x square, and under root x square minus a square with the mn method. Students, this full part done here. Now in further explanations for new part in the new topic is a definite integration in the next part, students. Okay, bye bye.